Today we'll be solving a problem on invert variation. You can check my video on the introduction to variation where I explain how you can write mathematical expression for invert variation. Now if you look at this problem, the problem says that if p varies inversely as the square of q when p is 20 and q is 1/2, write an expression of p in terms of q and then find p when q is 5 and then find q when p is 1/4. Now the first thing I need to do is to write a mathematical expression for the question. So the question says p, this is p, is inversely proportional to the square of q. So inverse means 1 over q squared, that's the square of q. So therefore I'm going to replace the sign of proportionality with an equal k, So my new expression will be p equal k1 over q squared. K times 1 is k, so p will be k over q squared. So this is my equation. Now the next thing I want to do, I need to find the value of k because the first question says I should write an expression of p in terms of q. What it means is that because you can see this is p in terms of k and q, but I need to get the value of k. That is the first thing you need to do. You need to get the value of k. It is very, very important. So now I'm going to plug in p is 20, so I'm going to plug in 20 for p, and then k over q is 1/2 all squared. So what I'm going to do is to cross multiply. So k will be 20 times 1/2 all squared. So k will be 20 times 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So k is 20 times 1 is 20 divided by 4. So k is 5. Now I'll come back to this equation. I'm going to plug in the value of k. So k is 5 over q squared. So now this equation is p in terms, this is p in terms of q. So this is our first solution. Now the second thing says find the value of p when q is 5. I'll go back to this. This is the question, this is what I'm going to use to solve the problem throughout this formula, throughout the solution. So I'll go back to the question. Find the value of p when q is 5. So p is equals to 5 over 5 squared. So p equals 5 over 5 squared is 25. So this is 1 over 5. So p is 1 over 5. Then the next one says find q when p is 1/4. So I'm going to go, I want to find q. So I'll pick up this formula, this equation again. P equals 5 over, I want to find q. Okay, when p is 1/4, so p is 1/4. This is q squared. So what I need to do is to cross multiply here. So if I do that, this is q squared. Q squared times 1 is q squared. 4 times 5 is 20. So the next thing to do, I want to find q. So I need to find the square root of both sides in order to get rid of this square. So I'll find the square root of both sides. So this will cancel that. So q is, so this is saying this is 4 times 5. So q will be, the square root of 4 is 2 root 5. So that is my answer. So that's very simple. So thanks for watching my video. You can always subscribe on my channel. God bless you.